Welcome to the future of connectivity and performance. Introducing the brand new Desktop Extended Edition DX2, designed to exceed your expectations. The DX2 combines speed, user-friendliness, and flexibility. Available in two versions, the proven 4G model and the fast 5G model, always at an attractive price. With up to 30% higher processing speed, you can complete your tasks even faster and more efficiently. Perfectly optimized for a seamless user experience. Innovative housing design ensures optimum heat dissipation so that the DX2 remains cool and powerful even under heavy use. Experience comprehensive connectivity with 3.0, DGA and HDMI ports, as well as a stable power connector. Choose the connectivity that suits you. The DX2 4G delivers proven, reliable 4G connectivity. This variant offers all the important functions of the new model and is ideal for users who need fast and stable internet access. Or the DX2 5G. The 5G variant takes you into the future of connectivity and offers ultra-fast speeds. Perfect for anyone who always wants to be one step ahead and is looking for maximum performance. Get your next generation of connectivity now. The DX2 model, developed for your requirements of today and tomorrow. Order now and benefit from the advantages. Further information can be found on our website. Thank you for watching.